Hi everyone. Today's topic is knowledge management, which you want to cover in the ITIL framework, where management revolves regarding with the knowledge articles, like creating them, publishing them, retiring them, recalling them, and deleting them. Let's see what is a knowledge article first, and then we'll move on to how to create and how to open the existing knowledge articles. Article which gives information regarding something useful. It may give some other information, but make it as regarding useful. And we have multiple knowledge articles. I'll show you in the incident table first the knowledge article, how they are useful in ServiceNow. Click on filter navigator, just go for incident dot do, and here we have a functionality called contextual search. Like if I type anything in the short description, it is called suggestion format, like it is called a suggestion column. If I type anything regarding any word, letter, or any phrase, it will display the related knowledge articles here. Have anyone encountered this? Let me see, like laptop is not working. You can see like it is searching and it is showing some articles along with catalog items. I just go for only the knowledge articles, and we have the warranty coverage details for SCI and other computers. If I open this part, it will show the knowledge article here. This knowledge article will stop the user not to create the ticket. The major goal of the knowledge article is to give some knowledge to the user that not to create unnecessary tickets. By learning this part, okay, regarding he's searching about warranty something, then he have some all these details here, and if he satisfied with this information, he go back. For example, I have a doubt that how to create an user account, like unable to create a user account, unable to create a user account or user profile in ServiceNow. Then you should have an article regarding how to get an user account here, and it will help you. Like you can see like how do I create you and delete user accounts. Open this part and you can see these are things regarding the Mac OS, and it will help the user not to create the unnecessary tickets as it is burden towards the service desk, like the service management. And knowledge article helps you to educate people regarding some topics or anything. Okay, main goal is to stop the user to create unnecessary tickets. Okay, and it will give some content. Let's see how to open the existing knowledge articles. Go for the filter navigator, go for the knowledge, and we have all, which opens all the existing knowledge articles. Click on filter navigator, type knowledge. Under knowledge application menu, we have the articles, create new, import articles, unpublished, published, retired, all. Go for click on all. It will display the entire knowledge management database regarding with this knowledge articles. You can select these are the articles. If your USB port is not working, you can open this knowledge article and get the information why it is not working and what will be the next steps. Okay, do you understand what is knowledge article?
Yeah, Sharat.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir.
Then the same thing, what is the list of tables, like what are the list of knowledge articles presenting in this table, and it's called kb underscore knowledge is the table name. And if you want to create new, the same thing happens like with the new button. I am creating a new article here which allows you to create a user account. It is showing us some standard known error article. I'll just go for standard first. Okay, and here it is asking under which knowledge base you want to categorize this knowledge article. the number is automatically generated. We can't edit this number, like the knowledge article number. And we have different knowledge bases here, like KCS, known error, IT, and knowledge. I just go for knowledge. And we have category. You can select the category and which category it belongs to. Like I just click on new button and I just name like some demo for B26, like batch 26. Okay. And it is showing some scheduled publish date. Okay. Ignore this button. We'll discuss later. And we have valid too. We have validations for each and every article. For suppose the creation of user account, right now we have the same pages, but in the future it may be different. Like it may have some shortcuts to do that. That's why we have a particular validation date for each and every article. I just mention as some date called, just go for today, and I just rename here like 2026 next date, like next month or next year in the same date. And we have article type is HTML. You can go for a wiki also, like the Wikipedia, how it gives like the links and everything. I just go for HTML first. And we have attachment, link, and display attachments. We'll come to that later. And it is asking the short description, like I just mentioned as creation of user. Okay. And we need to have the meta keywords here. Save before going to the next step. And we need to write the knowledge article content in the article body column. Okay. What is the type of column of article body? Like what is a column? Like what is category column? Type of column?
Reference.
Then what about short description?
Maybe it's string.
Then what about article body?
String as well. We use for HTML.
Okay. You can mute yourself. Thank you. It's called HTML format. You can see like it is called field is text and field type is translated HTML. Okay. And I need to enter the details here. Before going to that, I'll show you how it will be. I need to drag one column here, configure form layout, which is hidden from the form. Like generally it should be visible. Like it's called the meta. Meta and meta description is hidden, like hiding from the thing. Click on save. Like creation of user, I know like how to create the user. Just I take some font size bigger here. Like creation of user. Step 1, like we have the bullets also where we can use this bullet formats. Filter navigator, user administration, users, and new option. And that's it. Okay. And it's my content regarding how to create a user with a knowledge article. And by this you can get some knowledge regarding how to create a user. And meta keywords is if I enter anything in the short description, it should display this article like user separated by comma, creation of user. Some may type like user creation. Like I just mentioned other keyword called user creation. These are the called meta keywords where we use in social media also. User creation of user, user creation, user profile. Some may type user profile also. And description, you can give any description, just demo and click on save. Right now we have learned how to create a knowledge article and how to give the meta keywords here. Okay, let's go for the incident record. Incident dot do, and incident dot do, if I type as user here, let's see our article will apply, display or not. User creation. Do we have a knowledge article here? Like just go for only knowledge article. Do we have the knowledge article here? Our knowledge article. Our knowledge article name is this one. Creation of user is my knowledge article name. Is this available here?
No. No.
No,
Might
sir.
be publish is required.
Okay, fine. Don't reveal the test, okay? Then just after saving, the knowledge article will not be available in the related search. It's called contextual search. And after publishing the existing article, then only this knowledge article will be published regarding with the public usage, right? The public review. I'm making here as publish here, and then it is published. You can see like if I type any user or user profile creation issues, and if I click on anywhere, and it will show our user account here called creation of user. If I open the creation of user, it will show our user the user article here, the knowledge article. Okay, then if you like this knowledge article, give the stars, and we can click on this help also, so others can mark this as help, like they can go for this knowledge article and get the knowledge. Okay, click on close mark, and here we have done like creation of knowledge article and publishing them. We have learned the two things. The first thing
So,
is
so this
creation.
article
Just a
will
minute,
be
I'll just come towards your doubt. Creation of knowledge article, publishing the created or saved article, and then we'll come to like the next options. We have something called as go for knowledge. I'll open our knowledge article, and we have second option called checkout here. Right now it is not allowed to edit anything. Right now it is publishing, like it is right now in the live format. We don't have any option to edit this knowledge article. If you want to edit the knowledge article which is already published, then we need to check out the knowledge article. Without checkouting, we can't allow to edit this knowledge article. Click on checkout, then these columns will be available to edit this knowledge article. Okay, then after making those changes, like I need to remove this point, so I can update this part and just click on publish. Then it available for the public usage, like the public service. Then we have something called retire option here. Retire option is nothing but if you don't want to publish this article, and we have option called retire here. Okay, then we have an option why we are retiring this knowledge article, that's we are eradicating this knowledge article from the database. But we have the delete button also. Retire is different from delete. Okay, just click on retire. It is asking, do you want to replace the current article with another existing article? I don't have any next article. I'm just selecting as no here and click on retire. Retiring is nothing but it will be available in the database, but it can't, it not be deleted, but it not be published also. Okay, and then delete is a button which is used to delete the existing article. Retiring is nothing but coming from the published state towards unpublished format, and delete is used to delete the entire article. If I click on delete button, click on delete, and this knowledge article will be deleted. You can see, and we have the next article also. We have republish because we have retired this article. Then we have option called republish. We can republish the article after retiring. We get only this option called republish regarding the articles which are only retired. Okay, let me give the glimpse like retire, delete, republish, and that's it. We have the same options like retire, and we have checkout, sorry. Used to edit the published articles. And republish, used to republish the retired articles. Delete the current article. Retire, hide from the publication. Okay, anything like any doubt regarding these 6 points like in the knowledge article?
No, sir.
Then we come to the next point, like let's open the existing article or make it as republish. Check out. And we have some attachment link here. Click on this attachment link and click on display attachments. If you give any attachment links or any attachments here, then it also show in the attachment format in the knowledge article. Okay, you can see like directly preview here. After saving this part, after saving this record, after updating anything, we have directly options to preview this knowledge article. Then if you have any attachments or any attachments or external links, for example, if you are attaching any YouTube link or any post link, then the attachment should be visible in the article. Then we should check these two boxes called attachment link on display attachments. Okay, attachment link for the URLs or any hyperlinks, and display attachment nothing but if you are attaching any pictures or any Excel sheets or anything, it will display there in the knowledge article. And then we have something called Wikipedia, like wiki format, article type. Right now it is an HTML format. If I click on wiki, the format will be different here. You can write the wiki text here, like you can write the text in the line wise. You can see major text in the Wikipedia. Okay, then the proper format is HTML. And then we have something called affected products, feedback tasks, approvals, article versions, and related articles and related catalog items. We in the real time we have only called approvals, feedback task, and feedback. Right now I have just click on publish, but in the real time if I click on publish, it will goes for the knowledge manager approval. If I write some bullshit here like in the knowledge article, it doesn't mean that it has some meaning. Then one person should review that portion or any article. Regarding when I click on this publish button, then we have a knowledge manager who reviews this entire article and approves for the publication. Then only it will be displayed for the public service or public usage. If not, without any approval of this knowledge article, it can't be visible for the users for the service. Okay,